Over at House 5, it's still all about the ensuite. Jesse and his tiler are nearly done, and he's hoping an occupancy certificate will soon follow.
How we going, mate?
Mate, we're almost there. The plumber's just doing his fit off now, putting the toilet in, and then that's it, mate. We're good to go.
Mate, we've got 15 minutes till 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
It's probably unlikely we're going to get the occupancy permit tonight.
It was just frustrating because they tell us to do something, so we did it, and they're like, oh no, and this, and this. We were just literally trying to get that occupancy certificate so we could move in.
We've got like 2 seconds left. Once Scott finishes fixing off, we'll be sending that through.
Send it through, but I reckon play it safe, stay somewhere else.
We've already been kicked out of one of the neighbours' house.
Well, there's 3 others.
They probably prefer to see me sleep on the street, to be honest.
Wow.
Everything is messed up, mate. We've got the bathroom stuffed.
The Blockinator paid a visit to Jesse and Mel's still unfinished ensuite.
G'day, Mel.
Hey, Keith, how are you?
Not too bad, how are you?
Yeah, good.
How are we going with the ensuite?
Pretty much there?
Pretty much. Are you serious? We need it done quickly. So when's all this going to be finished?
Better be today, because Tyler said he's going to be here 11, and he said we should be able to get the occupancy certificate today. Biggest issue was the Tyler didn't finish. He didn't understand the urgency of it.
We're saying we're certifying things when they're not right. You know what I mean? The way I see it, that tile comes out because the hole's been drilled in the wrong spot. Over here, in a wet area, we've certainly got holes there. And what can happen is this is a wet room, so water can make its way over here, creep down those holes, go down the back of the tile, and then ruin the integrity of the tiling.
Staying on site means that while Jesse the tiler is out shopping,
That's so good. I'm happy.
Mel is left to deal with Keith, and he's just getting started.
Now, this area out here outside the shower or the wet room, right, it's about 12 to 15 mil higher than this area here. You run the level across, right, and look, I can fit my fingers underneath.
Yeah.
So at the moment, the way the ensuite's formed, I can't give you an occupation certificate.
I am ropeable right now. There's just too many dramas going on in that bathroom.
I want everything basically working before we can certify this ensuite.
Yeah. And now we've got more issues arising.
I hate to break some more bad news to you, but when we pull the tiles up, we're going to ruin the membrane. So we're going to have to tank it again as well. We're going to have to put new membrane on top as well, and that's going to have dry.
It's got to be done properly. I mean...
I'm going to become
Your plumber's very angry too.
Yeah, I know he is. I'm on Matt's side.
Time to break the news to your secret tiler, Mel.
Mel.
Jesse.
Yeah, what's happening?
Everything is messed up, mate. We've got the bathroom stuffed.
Why?
Where do I start?
Keithy's just come in and just shattered everything.
No.
We need to pull the tiles off because you've done square cuts. They should be round cuts.
No.
There's one that's too big. We can't silicone it. It's a mess.
That's a big no.
It's a joke. It is a bloody joke, Jesse. We're not going to be able to move in. We have to do the waterproofing again now.
No.
You need to come and have a look. You need to see it. It is...
No. No.
Where have you been this whole time?
At Beacon Lighting.
The whole time?
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
We don't have time to mess around, Jesse. You got to be quick. You got to be on the ball, mate. Everything is just going wrong.
All right.
Idiot.
Oh, this tiling is so doing my head in.
And he's seeing red.
Yeah, that's not good. So frustrating. That's what the block does to people. It puts so much added pressure on them that, you know, mistakes that wouldn't usually happen or be made, like they do happen. Like, it's just like, it is honestly chaos. So really, this whole floor, that's an issue. That's fine, that's fine. This one here can go and this one here. So on the walls, there's only 2 tiles we have to take off the walls. That's fine. But that's I don't know if the tiler's coming back.
No, he just sent me a text message saying he doesn't think he can get here today, and he said, I'll try tomorrow. Him saying I try is pretty much, it's not worth the risk.